video. It's your boy Kraken, and we got Maroon with us as well. We are brothers, don't worry. We're obeying the quarantine laws, all that good stuff. We're heading to the range today, that's what we call it. Doing a little range day. It's just a property that we have access to. We like to go shoot there occasionally, especially right now we can't go airsofting. So it kind of gives us a good opportunity to get out, shoot some guns. So we're gonna be doing some field tests today, just some target training, of course, some drills, all sorts of good stuff. So we're gonna take you along for the journey. You guys have been asking for vlogs a little bit, so we'll see if this works out. If you guys like it, definitely let us know in the comments below, and we'll do some more of these, especially during this quarantine time. So yeah, it's an interesting time, but yeah, we're making the most of it. So anyway, yeah, so here we go. See you when we get there. So we just got to the range. Here we are. We got all of our stuff kind of laying out here. Got a couple guns with us today. This is my kind of kit here, so we'll open that up and show you what we're rocking today. There we go. All right, so we got the Cyma M14. We're gonna be doing some tests with that today. We got a rifle scope on it, so we got some zoom. Super nice. There. And then my tried and true KWA Ronin T6, Gate Titan, Type board barrel, all sorts of good stuff in there. So yeah, and then we'll show you what Maroon's got over here. His gun's kind of buried, but he's got his Crytac CRB Mark II, or Mark II CRB, or whatever you call it. Great gun.
We got the suppressor attachment for it today.
Yeah.
Stealth.
He's also trying out a brand new vest. This is the, well, tell us about it. What's it called?
Emerson Gear. It's the knockoff of the Spirit Systems Microfight chest rig. It's basically just a cheaper version because I don't want to pay the price tag of the full Spirit Systems one. It's basically the same thing. Great material that's made of, super tough, and it's super customizable to whatever you need it to be, which is kind of why I wanted it. Plus it's extremely small if you want it to be small, where I just have the 3 mags on it, and I have a dangler, which you can't see right now, and then a couple other like admin things in here. But yeah, it's pretty streamlined.
It's definitely a pretty cool vest. I'm thinking about getting one myself because I just run a little chest rig as well. I definitely prefer the small little chest rig, but yeah, this is a super cool vest. Mine's definitely really cheap, so maybe I'll upgrade to something like this in the future. We'll see. But yeah, that's pretty cool. And we're back home. Thanks so much for checking out today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed our first little vlog. Yeah, just trying something different. Not sure if we're gonna keep doing stuff like this, but let us know if that's something you want to see. So yeah, we can definitely do some more of this in the future. Stay tuned for more here on Kraken Airsoft. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Peace!